Today we're unboxing the Apetdola SL Rainbow, where running water meets living colors. This fountain has 5 vibrant color options for the splash guard, but we got the green, which is so fun. It comes with a float which lowers when the water's low and rises when it's full, so you know when to refill. The stainless steel is an industry-first electro-polished to medical-grade purity, ensuring the best water quality for your pets. I love the 4.5-liter storage, and we can't hear it running thanks to the ultra-silent operation at just 20 decibels. Prince loves his new Apetdola fountain. Running water, living colors. We highly recommend it.